Open house 12:30 to 2:30 Sunday, October 1st. Looking for an FHA, road, VA financing home? Come see this adorable and spacious ranch home. Home has been totally remodeled and offers new furnace, water heater, well house, vinyl plank flooring, carpet, doors interior, exterior, and closet, paint, trim, kitchen, appliances, and updated bath. This home has great floor plan with spacious kitchen, dining and living areas. The full bath is large with tub shower combo. 3 large bedrooms with plenty of closet space. Main floor laundry. Located in a cute Circle Drive neighborhood with nice size yard, patio areas and plenty of room for garage or pole barn. Located just 5 minutes.